Get ready to elevate your car detailing game with the ultimate arsenal of gadgets. In today's video, we're unveiling 15 must-have detailing gadgets that will transform your car like a pro. It's detailing time. Car Guy's Wheel Cleaner is a top-tier brake dust cleaner, safe for wheels and tires with a pH-neutral formula. It efficiently removes dirt, grime, and old tire dressings on various surfaces like alloy, chrome, and aluminum. Quick and easy to use, the concentrated gel clings to wheels for maximum cleaning power, and it's customizable by diluting with water. Car Guys prioritizes quality, employing cutting-edge science and US-based production, all backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. ExoForma Bendable Brush Set, a 2-in-1 solution for spotless wheels. With a large 16-inch brush and 3-inch wide fibers, plus a smaller brush with 1.25-inch fibers, it's versatile for any wheel design. Engineered with polypropylene and wool fibers, it's tough on grime but gentle on wheels, complete with a rubber tip to prevent scratches. The ergonomic design and EVA foam grip make it easy to reach tight spots, ensuring a thorough clean without gloves or knuckle damage. Elevate your wheel cleaning experience with this efficient, safe, and comfortable brush set. Chemical Guy's Soft Stool, where convenience meets utility for your car detailing needs. This comfortable seat allows you to detail every inch of your vehicle effortlessly. Need to get lower? Simply remove the soft cushion for knee-friendly detailing. The stool features a bucket holder, bottle holders, underseat shelf, and detailing drawer, keeping your tools within reach. With 4 fully rotating wheels, move around your vehicle with ease. Ideal for washing, claying, polishing, or waxing, the soft stool ensures every step of the detailing process is a breeze. Discover effortless detailing with Paks Clay Wash Mitt. Clay Glove effortlessly sweeps away debris, ensuring a silky, smooth paint finish without scratches or stains. The advanced design includes a plush cushion microfiber backing, wide opening, and edge-lock stitching for an easy claying process. Paired with this clay serum, achieve professional results in no time. Paks Clay Mitts are a time-saving essential for detailers, offering a quicker claying process and mirror-like finished surfaces on glass, metal, and paint. Are you tired of the hassle of purchasing individual components for your polishing process? Experience the next level in car polishing with the BATOCA dual-action polisher. Boasting a long-life motor with pure copper wire and high-quality construction, it ensures durability and a constant power supply. The eccentric shaft design and dual-action mechanism make polishing efficient, making it ideal for beginners. Fast results without harming the paint. With a 6-speed control dial ranging from 1000 to 3800 OPM, it's versatile for various applications on cars. Enjoy comfort and precision with the ergonomic handle. Car Dryer Blower, featuring strong wind power and optimized air duct design for efficient and comfortable car drying after a wash. The user-friendly design includes swivel casters and an extendable hose for convenient use in tight spots. Safety and durability are ensured with a removable filter and reduced noise and vibration. Ideal for various applications, it not only dries crevices but also tackles hard-to-reach areas like wheels, gas ports, lights, and car carpets. Car Hose Guide with innovative features for efficient and hassle-free car detailing. The unique roller guide system prevents water pipes from sticking to the car wash hose, ensuring easy and smooth movement. The U-shaped design provides perfect protection by fixing under the tire, preventing unwanted hose movement. Crafted from high-quality, wear-resistant plastic, this tool withstands daily use, sunlight, and chemical exposure. Its versatility is unmatched, suitable for various vehicles, and its hanging hole design allows convenient storage. Car Detailing Brush Set, your go-to solution for a gentle and effective cleaning experience. These brushes are soft, durable, and metal-free, ensuring they won't scratch or damage your leather seats. User-friendly with different hairs for varied cleaning needs, they are perfect for both interior and exterior car care, including aluminum rims, automobile hubs, and grills. With wide usage across interiors, exteriors, wheels, dashboards, and more, this versatile brush set fits all vehicles. Various sizes cater to different cleaning requirements, allowing you to effortlessly remove dust, crumbs, and small particles from every nook and cranny. Fanttik V10 Hand Vacuum, a versatile cordless cleaning solution. With a pivoting design offering 7-angle settings, it reaches tight spaces effortlessly. The high-performance brushless motor provides powerful suction up to 14 kilopascals with cyclonic action for lasting power. Equipped with a 6,000 mAh battery, it charges in 2.5 hours, offering up to 30 minutes of use. The smart digital display keeps you informed, and the vacuum comes with soft and hard bristle brushes, replaceable filters, and a built-in LED light for efficient cleaning on various surfaces. Clean anytime, anywhere with Fanttik. Discover the power of Invisible Glass Cleaner, one of the top sellers in automotive for crystal clear windows at home and in your car. With a superior, streak-free formula, this cleaner leaves no mess or residue, ensuring an instantly noticeable, brilliant clean. The deep cleansing foam effortlessly removes road grease, grime, fingerprints, and more for a striking shine. Tint-safe and ammonia-free, it's perfect for use on tinted and non-tinted glass, stainless steel appliances, and more. The fine mist spray clings evenly without drips, providing a deep, shining clean both indoors and outdoors. Meet the Fixnow electric pressure washer. A powerful 1,400-watt solution generating up to 2,300 psi for efficient cleaning on siding, decks, vehicles, and more. Its adjustable nozzle and 400 milliliter foam can handle tough jobs, providing rich bubbles for superior cleanliness. Weighing just 6.6 pounds, it's portable with a 34-foot hose for free movement. Safety features include IPX5 waterproofing, a gun safety lock, a metal water inlet, and a leakage-proof switch. The Total Stop system ensures automatic pump shutdown when the trigger is disengaged. Universal Car Cleaning Gel, the ultimate solution for meticulous automotive interior detailing. Designed for hard-to-reach corners like dashboards, air vents, and cup holders, this cleaning gel doubles as an all-fit tool for electronics, keyboards, and more. Easily mold and press the gel into crevices, picking up dust, debris, and crumbs effortlessly. Reusable until its color darkens, it's an eco-friendly choice made from natural materials with a fresh scent, ensuring a safe and pleasant cleaning experience. Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit by Cerakote. A revolutionary solution that lasts as long as you own your vehicle. This ceramic coating chemically bonds to your headlights, providing enduring UV protection. No power tools are required. Everything you need is in the kit, ensuring a hassle-free restoration without potential damage. Unlike other kits, this ceramic coating doesn't need repurchasing. It offers long-lasting UV protection for a lifetime. With a simple 3-step process, including oxidation removal and surface preparation, your headlights will be restored to a like-new condition. High-pressure car cleaning gun. A powerful solution for efficient and versatile cleaning. Crafted with high-strength nylon composite molecules and a durable alloy gun body, it's resistant to acid corrosion, ensuring long-lasting, low-maintenance performance. Suitable for most air compressors, this gun tackles car interiors and exteriors, including door jambs, upholstery, dashboards, and more. Easy to use with a 4-step process, it comes with extra replacement parts and a towel for worry-free cleaning. Car wash towels and car interior brushes are also included in the set. A Tomex Total Flush, your engine's ultimate savior. This oil system cleaner supplement is designed to clean and protect your engine's oil system, preventing contamination of fresh oil by residues. Ideal for engines facing challenges like carbonization, reduced mobility, increased oil consumption, and power droops. Tomex Total Flush cleans the oil system to technical purity, restores piston ring mobility, and safeguards against contamination. Compatible with any application, it creates a reserve of anti-wear protection, ensuring your engine runs smoothly. Elevate your engine's performance with Tomex Total Flush. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video next time.